Hello and welcome to another Bradford's Rhymetime. I'm Carol.
And I'm Michelle, and today we will be doing a gardening rhyme time because I love gardening. Do you love gardening?
I do love
and
gardening.
Bookstart definitely loves gardening. So we're going to do some outdoorsy ones for you today. I think we should start with there's a worm at the bottom of the garden.
Yes.
I'm ready for that one. Are we all ready with our worms? There's a worm at the bottom of the garden, and his name is Wiggly Woo. There's a worm at the bottom of the garden, and all that he can do. He wiggles all night and wiggles all day. The people round here, they all do say, there's a worm at the bottom of the garden, and his name is Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly woo. Yay! I love that one. That was a good one.
Really nice.
Now what we're going to do, if you're happy and you know it, but a little bit different. So we're going to mow our lawns, dig some soil, and water some plants. Are we all ready?
Yes.
You ready, Bookstart?
Yes.
Are you
And
ready
Mr.
to
Gnome, he's got his lawnmower ready.
Good. And if you're happy and you know it, mow the lawn. If you're happy and you know it, mow the lawn. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, mow the lawn. If you're happy and you know it, dig some soil. If you're happy and you know it, dig some soil. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, dig some soil. If you're happy and you know it, water the plants. If you're happy and you know it, water the plants. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, water the plants. Yay! I liked that one. Did you like that one?
Yes.
I think now for our final one, we're going to do two little gnomes that are sitting on a wall. We're going to do it twice, so you can listen the first time, and the second time you can join in. Are we ready? Two little gnomes sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Run away, Peter, run away, Paul. Run back, Peter, run back, Paul. And again.
Ready?
Two little gnomes sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Run away, Peter, run away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Yay! Well, that's all we've got time for today, but thank you for joining us. So it's bye from me, and bye from Carol, and bye from Bookstart. See you next time. Bye!